In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in your GoDaddy account. Managing your online security is essential, and regularly updating your passwords is one of the simplest yet effective ways to safeguard your data. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to change it for enhanced security, follow along as we walk through the steps to update your GoDaddy password seamlessly. The first step is to open your web browser and head to Google Search. In the search bar, type GoDaddy to find the official GoDaddy website. Once you locate it, click on the link to be directed to their homepage. Now, you need to log in to your GoDaddy account. Look towards the upper right-hand corner of the page and click on the Sign In button to proceed. For accessing your account, GoDaddy offers three convenient options. You can sign in using your email, Facebook, or Google credentials. Choose the method that is linked to your GoDaddy account. If you're signing in with your email, enter your registered email address and your current password into the respective fields. Once you've input your information, click on the Continue button to be successfully signed in. Now that you're logged in, you'll notice your profile icon or your initials at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this to open a drop-down menu where you'll select Account Settings. As you navigate through Account Settings, you'll need to continue scrolling down until you reach the section labeled Login and PIN. This section is crucial for managing your login credentials and enhancing the security of your account. Under this section, you will find the option for Password. Look for the Edit option next to it and click on that. You're now at the part where you can change your password. Here, you'll need to enter your new password in the provided field. Remember, when choosing a new password, it's vital to create one that's strong and unique. A good password typically contains a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've carefully created and entered your new password, you'll be prompted to re-enter it for confirmation. This extra step helps prevent any typing mistakes, ensuring your new password is saved correctly. After confirming your new password, click on the Continue button to finalize the change. And that's it. You've successfully updated your GoDaddy password. If you're periodically updating your password, it's a fantastic way to keep personal information secure and your account safe from unauthorized access. Remember, staying proactive about your account security is key in today's digital world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this guide helpful. Stay safe online.